Florida's sunshine, humidity, and storm-prone climate create unique challenges for homeowners. While windows might not be the first thing you think about when it comes to protecting and improving your home, they play a vital role in energy efficiency, comfort, and safety. Whether you live along the coast or in Central Florida, investing in window replacement can make a big difference. This guide breaks down everything Florida homeowners need to know before starting a window replacement project. Why window replacement matters in Florida. Old or inefficient windows often allow drafts, humidity, and heat to enter your home. In Florida's climate, this leads to higher energy bills from your air conditioning working overtime, moisture problems that can cause mold or damage to your home, reduced comfort from hot spots, glare, or noise, lower protection during hurricane season if windows aren't impact resistant. Replacing outdated windows helps solve these problems, making your home safer, more comfortable, and more energy efficient. Signs it's time to replace your windows. Florida homeowners should look out for these common warning signs: condensation or fog between panes, a sign of broken seals, drafts and leaks even when windows are closed, difficulty opening or closing due to warped frames, noticeable noise from traffic or neighbors, visible damage such as cracks, chips, or rotting wood. If you're experiencing one or more of these issues, replacement windows can offer long-term solutions. Best window options for Florida homes. When shopping for new windows, keep Florida's climate in mind. Impact-resistant windows. Built to withstand hurricane-force winds and flying debris, they add peace of mind during storm season. Energy-efficient glass. Low E coatings and double or triple pane glass help block heat while keeping natural light. Vinyl frames. Resistant to humidity and rot, vinyl frames are a popular low-maintenance option for Florida homes. Aluminum or fiberglass frames. Strong and durable, these materials hold up well against the state's weather conditions. Choosing the right combination of features ensures your windows perform well year-round. Energy efficiency and savings. Air conditioning accounts for a significant portion of energy use in Florida homes. Installing energy-efficient replacement windows reduces cooling costs by blocking solar heat gain, preventing cool air from escaping, reducing the strain on HVAC systems. While new windows are an upfront investment, many Florida homeowners find the energy savings quickly add up, making replacement a cost-effective upgrade. Window replacement costs in Florida. The cost of replacing windows in Florida varies depending on the type, size, and features you choose. On average, standard windows, $300 to $700 each, including installation. Impact-resistant windows, $700 to $1,500 each, depending on customization. Although impact-resistant windows cost more, they often qualify for insurance discounts due to their ability to protect against storm damage. Why professional installation matters. Florida's weather makes professional installation essential. Poorly fitted windows can lead to water leaks, air infiltration, and reduced performance. Experienced installers ensure windows are properly sealed and insulated. Frames are secure to withstand high winds. Energy-efficient features work as intended. Professional installation also preserves manufacturer warranties and ensures your investment lasts for decades. Added benefits beyond efficiency. Beyond energy savings, replacement windows also improve curb appeal. Modern styles and frames refresh your home's appearance. Security. Stronger frames and advanced locking systems protect your family. Resale value. Buyers look for homes with updated, efficient windows in Florida's housing market. This makes window replacement one of the most rewarding upgrades for Florida homeowners. Final thoughts for Florida homeowners: window replacement is more than just an aesthetic improvement. It's a practical investment in safety, comfort, and efficiency. By choosing impact-resistant, energy-efficient windows and working with professional installers, you'll enjoy lower energy bills, increased protection, and a more beautiful home. Whether you're preparing for storm season or simply want to improve your property's value, the right windows make all the difference in Florida living.